When we talk about recording laws, there are essentially two different versions, and it depends on what state you live in. There's one-party consent states and two-party consent states. In short, a one-party consent state means only one person who's being recorded needs to understand or know that the recording is taking place. If you live in a state like that, like Illinois, you are able to put a dash cam in your car and you don't have to worry about even telling the passengers. You have consented to the recording in the vehicle, therefore it's fine. In a two-party consent state, which it's about half the states in the country, they require that every person on the recording is aware that the recording is taking place. Now there's a slight caveat there. In most states that are two-party consent, that only applies to private situations. So for instance, if you come to my house and I'm recording and we live in a two-party consent state, you have a reasonable expectation that in a private residence where you've been invited, there's going to be privacy. What you say is not going to go out into the world. However, if you're a rideshare driver and you're a rideshare passenger, I would argue there is not an expectation of privacy. But if you really want to protect yourself, put the sign up in your car, give notice that you are recording the vehicle or that you're recording the passengers in the vehicle. Even tell them when they get in the car, say, I just want you to know that I have a dash cam. This is for your protection, for my protection, to make sure that everybody's on the up and up. And you can give them the opportunity. If they don't want that, if they don't appreciate that, you can say, don't worry, I'll cancel the ride if you're uncomfortable with this. Whether that affects your rating or leaves somebody with a bad taste in their mouth, it's worth it because it's ultimately your safety and your reputation and your livelihood on the line.